In Devon, we are committed to tackling the climate emergency. Here are just a few examples of how we're being innovative in reducing carbon emissions from transport. We're closing minor roads to through traffic to enable pleasant, low traffic conditions for people to walk and cycle more safely, more often. We're also delivering school streets, which close off roads at drop-off and pick-up times. This boosts physical activity for children and their parents on their way to and from school. We're keeping pedestrians and cyclists safe by creating segregated paths and giving priority across side roads to make journeys more direct and uninterrupted. And we're continuing to deliver multi-use trails to enable people of all ages and abilities to enjoy our beautiful county and lead healthy and fulfilling lives. Working with rail partners, we are reopening railways, delivering new stations and improving resilience to better connect our communities, increasing education, leisure, retail and commuting opportunities. We're delivering more opportunities to improve the first and last mile of journeys by bike at key public transport interchanges. We're developing ambitious plans to improve journeys by bus, making them faster, more reliable and attractive to use. We're also supporting the transition to electric vehicles through rollout of more charge points around the county. This is how we're helping people in Devon be better connected by healthier, cleaner and greener travel choices.